This video will help you to conduct an online exam in Moodle using the assignment activity or the quiz activity. Here, the assignment activity can be used to conduct a written exam like a unit test or an internal exam or a model exam, whereas the quiz activity can be used to conduct an MCQ based online exam. First, we will see how we can conduct an online exam using the assignment activity. For this, you must first create a new assignment activity. So you must click on turn editing on. We are going to rename the topic to evaluation. As usual, click on add an activity or resource. Choose the assignment activity. Give a name. At this time, I'm giving unit test 1. You can use this description box to give some instructions on how to write the exam and submit the answer sheets. After giving the instructions, select this checkbox to display the instructions on the course page. To add the question paper, click inside this rectangular box and choose the question paper to upload. Select the question paper and click upload this file. Now the question paper is uploaded. Next, you must disable all these dates. We don't need these dates. Next, we must select the submission type. File submission is already selected. So you must choose the maximum number of files to be uploaded to 1. And next you must select the maximum upload size. Just select 50 MB, and you can restrict the accepted file type to either a PDF document or docx. I'm selecting a PDF document. Click on Save Changes. Choose the maximum mark. I'm giving the maximum mark 20. Grade to pass 8 marks. You can add the question paper and set up this activity prior to the exam date, and we can add access restriction to this activity so that students only be able to access this activity on the date and time of examination. To add access restrictions, select Restrict Access option. Click on Add Restriction. We can add restrictions based on different criteria, as we can see. We are going to add an access restriction to this activity based on a date and a time. So choose Date option. Select the date and time from which the question paper must be made available to the students. Now add another restriction to limit the duration of the examination. You must also give some 15 to 30 minutes extra to upload the answer sheets. To limit the duration of examination, choose Until for this option. Now click on Save and Return to Course to finish the setup. Now we can see an extra label showing that this particular activity is restricted and it is not available unless it is after 13th September 10 a.m. and it is before 13th September 11:30 a.m. That means this particular exam activity will only be made available for this duration. This is how we set up an online exam using the assignment activity. Now we can look how this activity will appear to a student in their course page. Now I am logged in as a student, and we can see this unit test activity is disabled. We cannot click on it. We can see the access restriction mentioned here. It will only be available from 13th September 2021 at 10 a.m. This is how we can set up an online examination in Moodle.